Welcome to my channel, where today we'll be discussing how to set up bidding in Google Ads. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Bidding is a crucial aspect of your campaigns and can make or break the success of your online advertising efforts. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Google Ads bidding, understand the different types of bids, and how to set them up. Before we dive into the details, let's understand what bidding is and how it affects your ad campaigns. In layman's terms, bidding is the amount of money you are willing to pay for your ad to appear on the search results page. So, the higher you bid, the better chances you have of your ad appearing in the top positions. As easy as it may sound, bidding requires strategic planning and a thorough understanding of your business goals. There are various types of bidding available on Google Ads, and you need to choose the one that aligns with your business goals. The most common types of bidding are cost per click, CPC, bidding, cost per thousand impressions, CPM, bidding, cost per acquisition, CPA, bidding. Each of these bidding types has its own pros and cons. For instance, CPC bidding is ideal for businesses looking to drive traffic to their website, while CPA bidding is best suited for businesses that want to focus on conversions. Now comes the most critical part, setting up your bids. Factors like your ad's relevance, quality score, and estimated impact on click-through rate are crucial in determining your ad's position and cost. So, it's essential to plan your bids carefully and regularly review them as your campaign progresses. Google Ads offers various bid strategies to help you achieve your business goals effectively. Some common bid strategies are target CPA, target ROAS, maximize conversions, enhanced CPC. Each of these strategies has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and you need to choose one that suits your business goals best. Now that we've gone through everything, you have a clear understanding of the importance of bidding for your Google Ads campaigns. By choosing the right bidding strategies and monitoring them closely, you can drive more traffic, better your conversion rate, and ultimately, grow your business. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.